Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Truly appreciate you guys. So on today's video, I have an unboxing. So basically, we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impression video. I have a product here that I wanted to unbox for you guys. And guess what? It's from your favorite girl, Rihanna, and this is her skincare. Yes, this is Fentyskin. Yep. And for some of you guys who don't know, she launched her skincare product 3 months ago, and guess what? I got a product the second month, but oh boy, I'm a busy mother, busy. I didn't have the time to unbox this product, and I did a video today with this makeup look. So if you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'm gonna leave a link up here for you guys, so you can go check that video out to see how I created this green smoky kind of look. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. So we're gonna open it together. As you guys know, Riri is not she's just too much. She's just extra fancy. So the box is very beautiful. I love the color. She did a great job with this box. So this is what I got. So this is the total cleanser. So this is what it says at the back. It says hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying. Okay. I'm gonna try that on because everybody have a different skin. So that's what it says here on the back. Daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. You guys hear that? I'm here to give you guys a honest review, okay? She said it's gonna take off my makeup. So when I read the description online, it stated that it's gonna remove your makeup. So that's why your girl came here with makeup on, because I want to give you guys my honest review. I want to test it, you know, because it's a lot of money, guys. It costs a lot of money. So the cleanser cost $21.31 when I got it that day. I don't know if it was like a special deal that day. I don't remember, but it cost me $21.31, and it's a 4.9 ounce. It's not on the smaller side, it's not on the bigger side, it's in between. So yeah, the packaging is bomb, it's amazing. And let me see how it opens. So this is how it's open. Twist to the left. So I love that. I like that that's how it open and close. I think by so doing, you're not gonna be wasting your product. So that's cool, good job on that, Riri. Okay, so let me continue, guys. At the back it also says, okay, the direction. It says direction: use day plus night to remove makeup, dirt and impurities. Wet skin, walk into a ladder, rinse for external use only as directed. And the next product that we have was the fat water. It says Pore Refining Toner Serum, and it's 150 millimeter, which is 5 ounce. It states, this is the statement at the back: instantly refines the look of pores, reduce the look of dark spots, even skin tone, and fights shine without stripping the skin. Okay, she keeps saying that without stripping the skin. That means if you have a sensitive skin, it's not gonna like irritate your skin. Okay, which is cool for my sensitive skin people out there. I don't have sensitive skin. My skin is normal, thank God for that. Next, let's go to the direction on how to use it. Use day and night on clean skin. Apply over face with finger. Okay, for external use only. Fat water is the second thing that you're gonna apply after washing your face with a cleanser. And this is my favorite product, guys. I love face moisturizer. Yes, if you don't have a face moisturizer, you need to get a face moisturizer, guys. It's very important because we spend a lot of money on our body and we forget our face. Some of us forget about our face. So I'm gonna be bringing you guys more skincare video. I don't have a perfect skin, guys. A disclaimer, let me just put it right here. I don't have a perfect skin. I struggle with acne, and I think it's genetic or hormonal problem. But guys, I try my best to keep my skin healthy and clean. I wash my face twice a day and I apply toner. I wash my face, I use my face moisturizer, but I break out sometimes, guys. So let me just throw that out here right now because I don't want you to come back and say, oh, she don't have a perfect skin. Yes, I don't have a perfect skin. Yes, I do have a problematic skin. And that was the reason why, let me just be honest, because if I don't have a perfect skin, that was the reason why I always don't want to do makeup video or skincare video, because I was like, oh, I don't have the perfect skin. How can I talk about skincare? But so as of today, you see my face with the makeup. You're gonna see it after the makeup, okay? So then you will see that I have scars, I have acne scars, I have dark spots, and I break out sometimes. Yeah, so it is what it is. So let's go back to this product. So this is called the Hydra Vizor Invisible Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen. Yes, if you don't know what is sunscreen, you need to know what is sunscreen, okay? Because I'm gonna do a whole video about sunscreen because it's very important. Sunscreen is very important for us. So that's a special video, guys. But for now, let me turn the back and show you guys and read what it says at the back. For every single day, no excuse. Apply before makeup for the ultimate canvas. Okay, lady. Okay. Ultimate canvas. And uses help prevent sunburn if used as directed with other sun protection measures. Decreases the risk of skin cancer and early skin aging caused by the sun. Yes, the sun actually can damage your skin. That is why you need moisturizers that has sunscreen protection for your face, okay? And the direction says apply 15 minutes before sun exposure. Use a water resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating. Reapply at least every 2 hours. So I wear sunscreen every single day under my makeup all year round. Sorry about that, guys. My baby just opened the door, okay? So this is what we found in the box. So this is a refillable container. This is so cool. So this is the product. So that's the unboxing part. Now let's get into the real deal. Yes, let's get into the real deal. Meaning, I'm gonna test if this cleanser is gonna take off my makeup. Okay? So let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this experiment. So I'm gonna use this product for 4 to 6 weeks just to make sure that it does the job on my skin, because the recommended time for you to use a product to see if it's working is at least 4 to 6 weeks. But if you have breakouts or some kind of like irritation, you can discontinue. But if everything is fine when you're using the product, you just have to make sure that you give the product time for it to work. So that's gonna be my testing period, and I'll be back 4 to 6 weeks to tell you guys how I feel about this product and see the difference with my skin. I'm gonna use all three together religiously, meaning every day, for 4 to 6 weeks. So stay tuned for that, okay? So I'm gonna be using my simple makeup wipes. This is my favorite to clean my lips, guys, because I don't want the lipstick to go all around my face. And it's a matte lipstick, guys. So I have a bowl of water here to wash my face. Yes, I don't want to take you guys to my bathroom. Yes, not today, because we're gonna be doing demonstration. Yes, we're gonna be demonstrating. I didn't call them Pancreas with a show. I want to show on a live and direct how this product they work. So I just soak my face small. I'm gonna wet my face a little bit. Yes. So far, guys, you see the makeup is coming out. I apply it over on top of my eyes. And like I said, I don't have a sensitive skin, so it's not burning. So maybe for somebody that have sensitive skin, it's gonna be burning. Yeah, let me rub the brow area. Very smooth. Yeah, you see? It lathers very well. So I'm gonna wet my washcloth. And wipe my face. I just want to show you guys if it works. I'm not gonna go to the bathroom because I want you guys to see right from here. Testing, testing, testing. It doesn't have a strong fragrance smell, but it does have a little fragrance, guys. So if you're allergic to fragrance or you don't like fragrance on your cleanser, let me just give you that heads up, okay? So this is my face for the first time that I wipe it. I'm gonna go over it again. Eyeshadow came off nice, clean, and seamless, as you guys could see. Under my eye, I'm gonna go over it one more time. So guys, I think it works. Yeah, it works. Take out my makeup really nice. So I'm gonna empty the water in this bowl and I'll be coming back. And when I come back, I'll be using the white washcloth for you guys to see if it takes out my makeup 100%. Okay, I'm back. So we have our white washcloth here and I'm gonna soak it. I haven't washed my face yet, guys. After the video, I'm gonna wash my face. But right now, we're just doing a test together. First impression. So you guys could see the washcloth. It's not that much, but because if I have to clean under my under eye, which I was afraid to rub, so I just did that now, right under my under eye where where I apply my eye pencil. So cleaning that off now. But other than that, guys, let me turn the other side of it. Let me turn the clean part. So let's use this clean part one more time to see. So that's my face after. Okay guys, so my honest review for this cleanser, to me, it's 10 over 10, okay? Because one, when I was using it, it wasn't burning my face. Two, it takes off the makeup. It took it off. My eyes, as you guys saw it in the beginning of the video, everything was gone, okay? So to me, it does the job. What it says on the description, it works. For the cleanser, I could recommend it, guys, because it took off the makeup and I don't feel anything on my face. My face is not burning. It doesn't have a strong smell, and it's just beautiful, guys. It's nice. I love the color. I love the packaging. I love that it's not gonna waste, so I'm gonna lock it back. So stay tuned for the review. I'm gonna be letting you guys know how the serum, the toner serum work for me, and the moisturizer. Like I said, around 4 to 6 weeks I'm gonna be back here to give you guys my honest review. And I promise you guys I'm gonna be using this every single day because I want to make sure that I use it religiously so that I can come back here and tell you guys like, hey, it works or it doesn't work. I want to give you guys my honest review, so stay tuned. So let me know in the comment section if you have used the Fenty skincare product or if you plan on buying it. Let me know in the comment section what was your thoughts. So that brings us to the end of this video, guys. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to give you guys my honest review on the two products, which is the toner serum and the SPF 30 moisturizer in 4 to 6 weeks time. So stay tuned for that video. I'm going to give you guys my honest review, and I'm going to use it religiously, meaning I'm going to be using it every single day because I want to see the results. If it's going to break me out or if it's going to work perfectly, I will let you guys know, okay? So if you want to get all the honest review, keep coming back for more. We're going to be testing more products on this channel, okay? So if you watch this video to this end, please sis, please bro, click the subscribe button, okay? And join this awesome family. You're welcome to the family. And please don't forget to share this video, comments, let me know what you guys think, and please give me a huge thumbs up because that helps me here on YouTube. And your commenting, you interacting with my channel makes YouTube favor me, so I want you guys to keep doing that. For some of you guys who are doing this already, I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys so much. So until next time, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.